Want to know how to make $1,000 a month? If you own a dropshipping store, it's not impossible. Our online store brought in almost $1,500 in just 3 weeks. Keep watching to learn how you can do it too. Hello everyone, my name is Alicia and you're watching the Ali Dropship channel. With our powerful plugin and other e-commerce solutions, you can create your own dropshipping website and start selling goods from AliExpress. Click this link to learn more on how you can get started. This is our dropshipping website that managed to make $1,000 a month. How did we do it? To start, what you sell is usually a crucial part of your success. There are products that can interest your audience and products that can't. Understanding how to find the right products for the right audience is the most difficult part of the business. Today, we're going to tell you how we found one hot-selling item for our store. Let's discover how to make $1,000 a month. Finding and checking a product idea. There are many ways to find products with high potential. We have a video all about how to do it. Watch it here to learn more. Sometimes the Ali Dropship team tests completely new products, but in this video we are testing an item that has already been trending online. How do you find trending items? We recommend using AdSpy or similar tracking services. AdSpy is a subscription database that lets you see Facebook and Instagram ads for any item or service out there. You can search for specific items and view stats to see what is in high demand. Remember, merchandise only sells if there is a want or demand. So, learning what others are selling is a good method to finding out what's trending in online sales. I will not go into details about these methods in this video. If you're interested, you can learn more about it in another video on our channel. Find the links in the description. Let's move on to the actual hot seller that we found. Ta-da! This orthopedic cushion is the item we stumbled upon in our research. As you can see, this ad for it garnered over 30,000 likes, which is a lot. The product itself also solves a particular problem people have, making it easy to promote. Our team was intrigued by this item and decided to use it for our website. We visited the online store that published this ad to check its prices and shipping options. We also found this product on AliExpress and Amazon. For consumer opinion, it's also important to check customer comments and reviews left on sites that sell the product. They will give you an idea about what people think and whether they are satisfied or not and why. This is what we found out about the orthopedic cushion. The original ad post contained almost 19,000 reviews, mostly positive. The cushion's price on AliExpress was a bit more than $10. Not bad, considering some sellers offered free shipping. According to AliExpress Dropshipping Center, buyers ordered more than 1,000 cushions, so the demand is definitely high. All this research has indicated to us that this orthopedic cushion is a high-demand item that could sell well. So our team decided to list it on our site and start advertising it. But if you don't want to master this skill, this is how you test the product to see if it can make $1,000 a month. At this point, it's too early for advertising, which is where the real pool is. Because without a good-looking product page, you can't make $1,000 a month. So this is how it's done. This is our WordPress online store with one of the standard template themes. Just like all of the Ali Dropship's themes, this one is neat and tidy and professionally designed by our team. Remember, you don't want to distract site visitors with anything too complicated. That's why here we've got just product categories, product pictures, and product style and color variations. Make sure the product description is informative and contains all product details customers may want to know. Ideally, it should answer all the questions about the products before they ask them. In this case, we wrote about products' dimensions, materials, its functions, and benefits. The quality of pictures is also important, as pictures are the only way to showcase your product. We downloaded the pictures from AliExpress and edited them. We removed the logo, Chinese text, and unnecessary details. If the item proves popular, we can even order a sample to make unique photos and videos, but at this time, the original pictures are enough for us. And finally, the importing of real customer reviews with photos from AliExpress, Amazon, or any other sources you can find is crucial for building customer testimonials. This is the best social proof you can ever provide. People actually read reviews and take them into account for making a purchase, so don't forget to include these on your product page. Since the orthopedic cushion was already a hot item when we picked it, it already had plenty of reviews. All we had to do is import them to our store. Now let's move on to the next step for hitting that $1,000 in sales. Testing the product. Now your store is ready for customers, but don't expect to make a lot of money just yet. First, you need to test the product and marketing materials, and this is the only way to see if the item you have picked can become a bestseller. First, our team made a number of Facebook ads and launched a page post engagement campaign. These campaigns won't bring you any profit, but they are relatively cheap and let you test the product and your marketing materials. Besides, the likes, comments, and shares together will pay you back later. That's because an ad post with lots of likes and shares looks much more convincing and generates more clicks. These are the results we got from our PPE campaign. The most important metrics are the number of impressions, click-through rate, unique link clicks, and cost per unique link click. 2 of these ads performed well, others not so well, so we turned them off. After that, we launched a conversion campaign to test Facebook interests. We used the same ad post with all the likes, comments, and shares that they gathered. The goal at this step is to find the best converting target audiences, and that's what we got. Most of our ads didn't perform well, but 2 of the audiences we tested showed good results. Here you should check for metrics such as video plays at 95% and click-through rates. To better understand your target audiences, you should also collect demographic data. Your first priority are gender and age. Just as we expected, people younger than 35 showed little interest in our orthopedic cushion. As for gender, no correlations were found. By this point in our ad testing, we had already drawn a number of visitors to our site, so we could start a remarketing campaign. We created a number of remarketing banners and launched a new campaign. After a while, we got the first results. As you can see, only 2 banners were able to bring profit. Final results and product evaluation. At this point, we already know if the product is worth our time. All this testing is usually enough to tell whether a product has potential or not. We have been running these campaigns for 3 weeks, and this is what we achieved. The total revenue was almost $1,500. But wait, we spent $1,000. Plus, we had to pay for products on AliExpress, so the actual profit was just $200 or $300. But didn't I promise to teach you how to make $1,000 a month? In dropshipping, testing is crucial. When you test a new product, new marketing materials, and new audiences, you have to act almost blindly. Like it or not, but you'll have to spend hundreds of dollars with little or no results. It's a part of the long run for social media advertising. In our case, we managed to break even, which is a great result for an untested product. And this is what makes premium stores so useful for dropshipping businesses. You don't have to spend money on testing. We do this instead of you. Each of the products in such stores are tested to make sure they have potential to bring profit. The convenience of getting such a store with tested products will let you start making money much sooner and with less expenditures. Follow the link to learn more. As for the cushion, we continue to run ads for it, and ads should bring more profit week after week because our targeting will get better day by day with the improvements we continue to make. Now you know how to repeat the same process as our team for finding the best product yourself. You also know how we research product ideas and real brand social media ads. Soon you'll be on your way to making $1,000 a month too. Did you find this video useful? If so, be sure to give it a like, leave a comment or share with someone who you think would find it insightful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. Thanks for watching and see you next week.